Yareli's channel. So today we're going to be doing something really cool. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe. The subscribe button will be right here. Click that. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below if this helped you, and if you want to like purchase it, and then I will tell you in the description down below that where I purchased it. So I'm doing a new channel now because the old channel that I used to have was like boring and stuff. So yeah, I'm doing a new channel. It's called Yari Babies. So yeah, that's what it's called, guys. Okay. Anyways, let's go on to this video. So what we have here, I went to Target and I found this $20 slime kit.
$1.
$20. Karnia Garcia slime kit. So don't mind the background noise. My brother is playing Fortnite on my phone.
Because you're using my iPod.
I'm not using the iPod. I'm using the camera. I'm using the camera. His iPad is over there charging. So yeah, don't mind the background noises because it's Saturday and people love listening to music. So this is what I got from Target, $20. So what it includes is instructions: 1 bottle of slime glue, 1 bottle of slime activator, clear water gel powder, bottle of white craft glue, 6 sizzling color tablets, glow coloring powder, blue glitter, bubble wrap, clear firm plastic straw, plastic cup. Edison, can you give me your water, please? No, I need another water, please.
No.
Please, just one. Okay, so the things, I just got this for the gel thing and this like to mix because I don't know if there was more. And Edison, if I have no more water, can you give me one? Please?
There's stuff and water in the back.
I know, but can you give me water?
Why?
Because I'm asking you if you can give me water.
No.
Please? Okay, so guys, I opened it with my safety scissors. Go, it says green. Okay, and here's another instructions. In here, it's a bag, and it has, let's see what it has. It has bubble wrap. I don't know what this bubble wrap is for, but
Can I get it?
It's for, but
Can I get it?
I don't know what this is for. I need to see in the instructions. What is
This
this?
is a bubble wrap.
This is like,
Baking soda.
it's not baking soda. This turns into like 2 cloud slime. So, color tablets. That's why I asked you for more water. And 1 slime container. So that's what it brings in this thing. I'm gonna put everything back in.
Can I get the bubble wrap?
Can you get me water? And then I'll get the bubble wrap. Okay, so that's what it brings in there.
Comment down below if you want me to get the water or no.
No, you don't come down below. I can get it. He needs to get it anyways. He has to get it.
No.
Okay, and there's this
don't.
clear glue, see-through, gooey fun. Says what it says. That's what it says. And this craft glue, white craft glue. Oh, it does bring something to mix with.
Yes, I told
And
you.
it brings slime activator. Okay, guys, so that's what is in this bag. So, yeah. Alyssa, can you give me water? No? And this, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Please? And then I'll give you the bubble wrap. Here. Okay, so I'm not going to give you the bubble wrap. Gather your room temperature so it's 2 spoons of measurement set. A spoon for stirring, a small bowl, plastic storage container, paper towels. From you. Including your kit. Okay, so I'm trying to search why we need the what's it called? Square solution. Whoa. It says make it pop. To make crunchy slime, add bubble wrap square to your slime so you can make it.
Oh, forget it. I don't want the bubble wrap.
No, I don't need the bubble wrap. I'm not gonna make no crunchy slime. If I make crunchy slime, I can. Okay, so here, guys, I'm gonna read this. What
Daddy, look at your free
Karina's
dance.
tips and tricks.
Look at your free dance.
Okay, but can you give me water now?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, y'all. Karina here to give you some of my special tips and tricks of making the best slime with my official DIY slime kit. Now remember, you can modify the instructions depending on the type of slime you want to make with my kit. You get the best quality ingredients to make endless combination slime. Turn the card over for tips. If you like thicker slime, add a little more activator. If you like too sticky, if your slime is too sticky, add a little bit of slime glue. This trick is even work for octopus slime. Remember to knead your slime in order to maximize gooiness. Squeeze out all the air bubbles and pull through the slime until the texture is when you're happy with your texture. Edison, you want the bubble wrap?
No. Make your crunchy slime. No.
You want crunchy slime?
Yes.
I don't know how to make that.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
Go get me water now, please. Just give me a bottle of water. Okay, guys, so I guess I'm gonna have to take you guys with me. So, again, don't mind the background noise. Bella, get out of here.
Please, paper.
Okay, so yeah. I need to put this a little up. There we go. Here, bubble wrap. Okay, so I already got the two waters. Now I'm gonna put the spoons in there. Spoons. And the directions could go right here on top of my bed.
Comment down below if you play Fortnite.
Okay, so you can comment down below if you play Fortnite. Okay, so whenever I'm gonna make slime in this thing. Okay, so it says whenever you are handling chemicals, remember to wash your hands. First, wash your hands. I already washed my hands with soap and water. Nobody wants dirty slime. Once your hands are clean, get ready to. It's time to make slime. First, you are going to get a small batch of translucent slime. Translucent means clear. Take out the cap that is included in the kit. Carefully, 2 teaspoons. Hold on, guys. Go. Sorry, guys, for that. My dog. Carefully pour 2. Wait, what? Translate. What?
Told you should not learn about that.
First, translate slime. What is that? Okay, I think it's this. 2 tablespoons of slime go into the cup. Okay. What?
Yes, the shopping carts.
Oh, okay, guys. So I'm gonna follow the instructions a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my own. This is 2 tablespoons. 1, 2.
Boop.
Okay. For transfer slime, all you need is Slide, added slime glue before. Activate. Fill 1 teaspoon cup with and don't just at once. Mix all the ingredients. Oh no!
What?
I'm making a small batch, so I'm gonna put a bigger amount. I'm gonna put like 5, 4, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, what a cactus is made of?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you say?
Ooh, I forgot.
Okay. Anyways, guys, what I was saying.
No.
No. So I'm gonna put it down here. So now I'm gonna add in color. I'm gonna add in. What color should I add in? I'm gonna add in blue.
Oh, I'm red.
There's no red.
What color is there?
I'm adding blue. So since I got blue there, it's fizzing now. It looks satisfying. Satisfying right there. Okay, it's totally fine. If you do not see my face, the most important thing you need to see is the slime that I'm making. So that's why I put this a little down right here. This is like, look, be quiet for you guys. It's really thin. It's like really, you could barely hear it. I'm gonna use this for the next time I make. It's like a little bath bomb. I'm gonna just do regular clear blue slime.
Stop that. I can hear.
There we go. Now we mix. I got like this aqua blue slime. I mean,
Aquaman.
aqua blue. What's it called?
Ocean slime.
Not ocean slime. Aqua blue color. Oh. I forgot to bring what's it called? Tissue. It says add 1 teaspoon. That's good. It says to add a little bit of that little. See guys, it's forming.
Wait, you didn't put anything in there.
I know.
That's stupid. That's stupid.
How is it stupid? It's not stupid. Anyways, excuse. It's turning into slime, guys. I thought this wouldn't work, but it actually did.
That's stupid. What the? That's stupid. Serena Garcia, you stupid.
Serena.
I don't know. Karina, Dorina, Serena.
Karina.
I don't care.
She's like the queen of slime, guys.
Guys, if you think Karina Garcia sucks, comment down below.
No, don't comment down below that. Nene, that's mean. Stop.
She does suck.
No, she doesn't. She made slime kits. She made the ice cream rolls. You know those things like the Chinese people make?
Yeah.
That.
Alright.
She made that. Those ice cream rolls are amazing.
No, do not. Karina Garcia is just stupid. Stupid. Stupid as hell.
No, she's not.
See?
Don't mind him, please. It's just that he's just jealous. I don't know what he's jealous of. He's probably just jealous that he's not like, I don't know. Like there's always been something up with him. Guys, before you start playing with your slime, add a little bit activator to your slime and rub it on your hands. And if it's activator, don't use that. Use something different. Use like, what's it called? Tide, any kind of detergent, or like sodium thing. This is like a little sticky. It's gooey. It's really gooey. Okay, it's really gooey and I love it. I'm gonna put in some sparkles. Sparkles, guys. That's my brother. Can you close the door?
No, thank you.
You cannot you can't pick. Hold on, guys, because Edison doesn't know how to close the door. Stop. Exactly. You don't like sticky slime, so why are you
It
touching
ain't
it?
sticky, brother.
It's falling.
All the leaves are falling down, falling down.
Oh my gosh, a little piece of paper just went in the slime.
Wait, nope, it's not. Wait, can you go put that there?
This is so sticky.
No, it's not. Where the freak are you, you idiot? Why are you here? Finally! Damn! You like staying in here. You just like your color, idiot.
I need to put more activator to this. Do you see this, guys? I need something dirty.
Huh?
I said I need something dirty
Why you need something dirty?
to use it.
Flesh my boat.
I need to use my knife.
Okay, shut it right there. Couldn't you?
Okay, so I'm using my dirty shirt to clean my hands.
Where's my fucking boat?
Okay, how I was saying is that I'm gonna put this together. This is like a really sticky slime, and then I'm gonna leave this out to clear up, and then watch it. It's gonna get melted. So then I'm gonna have to add a more activator. So after you add an activator, need it. Once you need it, you should get like this gooey, not gooey, but texture. This good texture. So yeah, this is the first slime, and I'm pretty impressed. I thought this wasn't gonna work, right?
Right? Like that looks like pilot.
But it actually did work. You know that?
That's a weird thing.
I'm gonna make slushy slime, and then
Slushy.
I'm gonna make slushy slime. And
I
then,
love slushies.
I know. Who does? Oh, why I got the glue here? Like, who doesn't like slushies?
I forgot his name. I forgot his name. Darnell.
Who's there now?
The one in second grade. You remember? You don't remember?
The little boy?
The swag hair.
Yeah. He got it back, right?
No.
He was in his G's class in kindergarten, right? I mean first grade.
Mhm.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna use this container and put the rest of the water in there. And now I'm going to add. Oh no, this is activated. Leave it there. I'm gonna add 2 spoons of slush.
What's new?
Oh no, I broke the pack.
I want Spanish score.
Don't smell this, guys.
Why?
It stinks. I already smell it from
You
here.
smell?
See, he made slush. Look at that.
No.
Oh my gosh, I'm impressed, guys. Look.
I hate this.
Look at this. Look, feel it.
Smells good.
Look, feel it. Feel it from my hands.
Feels good. Can I have it?
No. This is not edible. Are you crazy?
I want to keep it.
No. You should have bought the kit then. Guys, it's slush.
Mad assassin.
Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's soft, right?
Yes, I want it. Can I have it?
Cool. You talk to me.
Why?
No, you cannot have
Can you
it.
make me another?
Nope.
Please.
Nope.
Mm.
I can make you one, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Oh, I thought you said, can you make me something? Can you make me some? Yes.
Yeah, I think it's good. Can I touch it again?
Here, have this. I give him such little.
Here. Here. That was
So cheap.
Yo. Yo.
This is slush, guys.
I know I played this game. Young mortal. Young mortal.
Okay, so first step is to add in your glue.
Tofu. Die, tofu. Oh!
What are you playing?
Something.
Fortnite?
No. Why would you think?
Nana, put your feet up.
Freaking have to buy this stupid shirt.
Okay, that's how much I'm gonna put.
Yo. How do you even freaking do it? Yo, Daddy, give me the tablet back.
Why? It's not, you mean the camera?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
No, I want it.
Go get the tablet.
Forget it.
Okay, guys, so the first step is to add in your glue.
That is-
Oh, no. Don't add in your slush yet. Then add in your activator, little by little. I think I'm gonna roll down. This is strong. Jesus, I wonder what she put in this glue. Don't tell me that this is not gonna activate either.
Yeah, Mom sucks.
You said my phone sucks?
Yeah.
Really? Gosh, finally it's activating. After like 24 hours.
Good night.
It just turned back into like this.
Pause the camera.
I think I need to add clear.
Pause the camera.
Yep, that's what I needed. Nope. Stop, leave it.
I want to touch it.
No! Can you see this, guys? Look at this. Give me the directions, because I'm about to...
Where'd it go? No, but it's okay.
Bella, you can't come in.
You can.
She can't. Look at this, guys. Look at this thing. Bella's sneaky. Look. I'm really disappointed.
Oh, here it is.
You.
Now you're
Okay.
staying here, Bella.
Okay, anyways, guys, this is the slime I first made. I'm gonna put, you know what I'm gonna put? You can get out of here, first of all. Ooh, this made me waste the glue. What if I add this to this right here?
Please stand by.
Move, please, move that out of the way.
Wait, leave it there.
No, move it.
Put it. You've been recording this for 25 minutes already.
I know.
25 minutes.
This is like, I need to add in this now. Can you move that, please? Really? Look, guys, it's slushy and it's not sticky, Edison.
Yeah. I made you waste glue.
Look, feel it.
I made you waste glue.
I know, but feel it. Bella, you ain't leaving.
Oh, you can put that in what's it called? I forgot the name. Yo, why do I always forget the name? You can make that as a stress ball.
No, Bella. Gosh, Jesus, everything she sees on the floor she wants to eat.
You're stupid. Isn't that...
Look, guys, this is how the slushy slime turned out to be. Let's see if it pokes. It does poke, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit more of activator in here.
I'm tired.
Who?
Let me play my Roblox jailbreak. I'm gonna use the icon to record so you can pause it.
I can't.
Why?
Okay, guys. So this is the slime. And thanks for watching this video.
Thank you.
Goodbye.